How to execute a Gold IRA rollover with $250,000 to $500,000 investment. A Gold Individual Retirement Account (IRA) is an excellent way to diversify your retirement portfolio with tangible assets. If you're planning a Gold IRA rollover for a significant investment, such as $250,000 to $500,000, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process while meeting IRS regulations and avoiding penalties. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Steps to execute a Gold IRA rollover with $250,000 to $500,000 investment. 1. Assess the benefits. Evaluate whether a Gold IRA aligns with your financial goals. Gold is a hedge against inflation and economic instability. For large investments, weigh risks and rewards carefully and consult a financial advisor or tax professional. 2. Choose a trusted custodian. The custodian manages your Gold IRA, stores gold, and ensures IRS compliance. Look for verified credentials and IRS approval. Transparent fees, setup, storage, and maintenance. Secure, insured depositories. Positive reviews and a solid reputation. 3. Understand eligible rollovers. You can fund a Gold IRA using 401k, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA accounts. Opt for a direct rollover between custodians to avoid taxes or penalties. 4. Avoid penalties. Follow these rules to stay penalty-free. Complete rollovers within 60 days, if indirect. Ensure gold meets IRS purity standards, 99.5% plus for bullion, 99.9% plus for coins. Avoid prohibited transactions, like personal use of IRA-owned gold. 5. Complete paperwork. Accurately fill out all required forms, including account transfer forms and IRS Forms 1099-R and 5498. Your custodian can assist with this process. 6. Purchase IRS-approved gold. Invest only in approved products, such as gold bars or bullion, 99.5% purity. Coins like American Gold Eagle or Canadian Maple Leaf. Avoid collectibles and jewelry, which are not IRS compliant. 7. Secure storage. Store Gold IRA assets in IRS-approved depositories. Choose between segregated, your gold stored separately, or commingled storage, gold stored collectively. 8. Monitor your investment. Regularly review your Gold IRA to ensure it aligns with your goals. Stay informed on market trends, inflation, and geopolitical events. A Gold IRA rollover with $250,000 to $500,000 can strengthen your retirement portfolio. By selecting a reputable custodian, following IRS rules, and staying informed, you can secure a stable financial future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.